That was my lace. I completed to it all the way from back there.
Where are you?
In the Easter hunt. So we do quite
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter to all.
Yeah.
That's it.
We gonna Orman gonna do
Easter
egg hunting today.
That. It did smell that bad actually.
Why? Oh, yeah, animals.
But it Easter hunt today. I have candy. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Then let's move the flag. I made it!
Here's some. Let's see, somewhere here. They're gonna do something.
And it's no, they never. You go
close.
1, 2, 3,
It's almost
4 times. No, they never, no more. 2 times will I be the wild rover. Once, no, never, no more. Let's try it again. And it's no, they never. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, dads and kids. All you dads, Nautica dad, backwards hat wearing dad. Dad right there, looks like you can bust a freestyle. Yes, next to Nautica dad. Dude, you got the hat like, Nautica, start cutting down trees, man. You gotta know if this is a Douglas fir or a spruce. All right, here we go, you ready? There is a little girl named Mary Mac. Make no mistake, she's the girl I'm gonna take. And there are a lot of other fellas who would get up on a track. I'm thinking that they'd have to get up early, cause Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. My mother's making me marry Mary Mac. Gonna marry Mary so that Mary will take care of me. Well, I'll be feeling merry when I marry Mary Mac. This little lass has a lot of brass, a little bit of sass, and her father thinks I'm fast. I'd be a silly ass, but it doesn't matter pass. Her father thinks his daughter suits me fairly. Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. My mother's making me marry Mary Mac. Gonna marry Mary so that Mary will take care of me. Well, I'll be feeling merry when I marry Mary Mac. Wednesday and everything's arranged, and then we'll soon be changed. About our listen might be changed. I'm making these arrangements, I'm busy about to range. A marriage is a lawful undertaking. Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. I'm gonna marry Mary so that Mary will take care of me. Well, I'll be feeling merry when I marry Mary Mac. Well, it's true to be a grand affair, but greater than a fair. There's gonna be a coach and pair for every pet that's there. We'll dine upon a fine fare. Sure to get my share if I don't have a very much mistaken. Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. I'm gonna marry Mary so that Mary will take care of me. Well, I'll be feeling merry when I marry Mary Mac. Let's go a little faster, ready? Well, Mary and if I go when I take my sunshine away. You know the other night, dear, and silently sleep, ooh, yeah. And I held you in my arms. Oh, I woke dear, I was mistaken. Egg hunt. Guess you guys haven't been to Germany. Clearly. That stuff kills in Germany. Yeah, get down, let's do this. It's so fun. I like to dance. I like to feel it. Very, very good. All right. By the way, an extra special guest we have today is fair. You know, the little kids will have an egg just sitting there in the grass. You know, come along like. So happy. You really want to rob that from a 2 or 3-year-old? No, you don't. So we have, the age group is 2 to 11. So sorry, 17-year-old friends. No egg hunting today, but we'll have an egg hunt back in Leesburg later. It's going to be great. But in the meantime, 2-year-olds and 3-year-olds, you will have a group. Where's my 2 and 3-year-old Grand Marshal? Do we have our 2? Behind me, down the hill. Now listen, 24 eggs a kid. 24 eggs. Share the eggs, and if you find a golden hard-boiled egg, bring it right up to the stage and hold on to it, because there are 2 golden eggs in each age group, everybody. Don't be an egg hog. Get out there, have fun.
Listening?
I'm listening. 2 golden eggs.
Orman, go, run! Come here.
Charlie, go get some. 13, 14.
Orman.
16. How many I need?
You need 24 eggs.
Yeah.
Orman, over here. Orman, over here. This is that one. Orman, you have to look for golden egg. Those are open. Man. Orman. That's open.
Bye guys. Bye guys.
Orman done with egg hunting. Had fun. More eggs, that person will be win. Ready, steady, go. Sammy,
Mucho jadi aja dito. मैं ऑटो लेके आ रही हूँ ये पापा इधर ले पापा
मम्मा ने हाइड किया सी उधर भी. चलो 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 उधर नहीं है, बस फिनिश हो गया. उतो अगे नहीं किया सी, अगे नहीं किया, उधर जा.
उधर नहीं है
नहीं फिनिश नहीं. उमन जा उधर उधर उधर. उमन Sammy, Orman, you just walked out.
Huh?
You just walked out from this. तू दिखे नहीं लागू गया. मुझे कहीं पैसे भी है ना ले होगे तो जाने. No, 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 Sammy, no cheating, okay? Don't pick his. और मनो पीछे तेरे आगे जल्दी फड़. और तेरे पीछे तेरे लेग्स पे लग गई. वो है कि नहीं? सामी, ओदी बॉल छड्डो उसे गंदी. ठीक. सामी नो. उधर 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 मन को चल उर्मान चलो हम वेख दिए आखे उर्मान दोनों जने उत्थे खड़े रहो. आई गिव यू वन हिंट लास्ट. किथे है क्यों ना पहले आंदा है. You can found some eggs on this way here. On here. Let's see who can come first. Ready? Oh, one grab. Sammy और eggs दो. Oh, one सारे गिर गए तेरे. चलो करे. Okay. Cool. Now let's count who win. Okay. First, Papa, you dump your eggs.
Okay.
Count. How many you
20.
get?
Papa, the 1,
Wait a minute.
2, 3.
It's obvious who
4.
won.
4. Oh. Now Orman,
No,
you're.
2.
Oh, you win. No. And Papa have to see what Papa found it from inside in the egg. There is a surprise in egg.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Hi!
Still 24.
24, 25,
Mm-hmm.
26,
Mm-hmm.
27,
Mm-hmm.
28, 29,
30, 30,
31,
32, see, 33,
33,
34,
Any order?
35,
It's too much.
36.
37, 38, 39.
Oh, very good. Now you have to see what surprise you got.
Yeah.
See, open it.
What is the bidder price?
There's some money in, maybe it's in your egg or maybe it's in Papa's egg. I put
you put some money in there.
Yes, I did. Papa, you can open your egg too. Let's see who got the money, big money.
There's a bidder chance I that one. Oh, empty!
Yeah, that's April Fool. If it's empty.
I
Oh,
put
Papa got smasher.
Oh, smash or sorry.
Oh, Papa got $1. You can count too. I put more.
Oh!
Let's see.
Go ahead.
Man candies apniya box. Oh, jehda saman find kar de na bucket se pai jo. Then you're not gonna lose it.
Yeah. No, empty.
Oh, April Fool.
Master.
So many.
Oh,
Oh!
Urman get $1.
More money.
Urman get $1. $2.
Like $2.
Can't open it. Urman got $3.
No, my
Urman
God.
get candy.
Wow.
Urman get this rubber band. Urman got $4. Yeah, that's it. That's the dollars. I put. And Papa
Oh,
gets
two smashers.
Urman gets smashers. Oh, Urman get one more smasher.
I added those to my shirt.
Urman get one ring, butterfly.
Candy.
Oh, one candy, more candy. Oh, smashers na kung guli ko. Sticker.
Two more smashers. I really want
One
another
white
dollar.
candy, one chocolate. No, it's only those many. Oh, two more smashers.
Did you add those many dollars?
Oh yeah, I add $5. Papa got $1 and you got $4. So you are the winner and you got big prize.
I really wanted one more dollar.
No, Papa.
Aha! I know what the word is. The winner gets one more dollar for the loser. $5.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, now you got $5.
Yeah.
Man get a lot of prizes.
Should we do this again?
Nope,
No, please.
it's only one time. Nope.
No, now you and Papa.
No.
Please.
नहीं होनी, I'm done.
नहीं, तू-
नहीं, मन होनी करना सकती
You and Papa.
वो चप्पल भी मिली और मानो स्लीपर.
Please.
No,
One.
no, sorry.
Ito ba, let me bend in that.
नहीं वो नहीं.
Thank you for watching.
कमान स्टॉप फिनिश कर दो ना वीडियो.
Bye. Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Happy
Thank you for watching. Happy Easter.
चलो बाय.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hi, Manmeet.
$1. Hi.
Salman. Hi.